Hello, my friends. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry, and I'm really happy you are here with me today. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about something very common. We are going to talk about forgetting English words. Let me ask you a simple question. Has this ever happened to you? You learn a new English word. You understand the meaning. You feel confident. You feel proud. But after one day, or maybe 2 days, the word disappears. You think, I know this word. I learned it before, but now I can't remember it. If this happens to you, please listen carefully. You are not stupid. You are not weak in English, and you are not alone. This happens to almost every English learner in the world. Today, I will share simple and real ways to help you remember English words for a long time. No pressure, no stress, just easy ideas that work in real life. Why do we forget English words? First, we must understand why forgetting happens. We forget words not because we are bad learners, but because of how the brain works. Think about your brain like a muscle. When you use a muscle, it becomes strong. When you don't use it, it becomes weak. When you learn a word only one time, your brain thinks, this word is new, but is it important? If the word does not come back again, your brain says, okay, I don't need this, and it slowly removes it. This is normal. Your brain wants to save energy. So please remember this clearly. Forgetting words is normal. Forgetting words means your brain is doing its job. The big mistake many learners make. Many learners think the solution is learning more and more words. 10 words a day, 20 words a day, even 50 words a day. They feel busy, they feel active, but their brain feels tired, and a tired brain forgets very fast. The better way to learn words. Here is a smarter idea. Do not learn many words. Learn one word and meet it many times. Let me give you an example. The word morning. It is very easy. Everyone knows it. But don't learn it alone. Learn it like this. Good morning. Morning tea. Morning routine. Early morning. I wake up in the morning. Now the word appears again and again. Your brain starts to think, oh, this word is important, and your brain keeps it. Words do not like to be alone. This part is very important. A word alone is weak. A lonely word is easy to forget. Listen to this word, cold. Now, stop and think. Cold what? Cold weather? Cold water? Cold coffee? Cold hands? Your brain feels confused. Now listen again with sentences. It is cold today. I like cold water. My hands are cold. Can you feel the difference? Now the word has a place. It feels real. It has meaning. This place is called context. Context means real-life use of a word. So remember this strong rule. Never learn a word alone. Always learn it inside a sentence. A sentence gives a word a home. Speak out loud. Very important. Now I want you to do something brave. Use your voice, not only your mind. Say words out loud. When you speak, your mouth works, your ears listen, and your brain learns. Let's practice together. First, just listen. I drink water in the morning. Now say it with me slowly. I drink water in the morning. Very good. Let's say it one more time. I drink water in the morning. Excellent. Every time you speak, you make your memory stronger. Listening is good. Speaking is better. Listening and speaking together is best. Short study is better than long study. Here is a small secret. You do not need 1 hour. You do not need 2 hours. Your brain does not like long study times. Your brain loves short time every day. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes at night. Today you see the word. Tomorrow you see it again. Next day you see it again in a new sentence. This is called spaced repetition. First time, new. Second time, familiar. Third time, easy. Small time, many days. This is how memory grows. Final message for you. Please remember this. Forgetting is not failure. Forgetting is part of learning. You are not slow. You are growing. Your English is not disappearing. It is building quietly, slowly, and strongly. Thank you so much for listening to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, and never give up.